where do we go from here? Quite straightforward. You have to remember where the main liquidity is. 5-day moving average trending within this yellow band right here. So until we have stronger structure here, you must be careful to short with the 5-day moving average. Well, if we close the cup here, there is a larger blue band. And I talked about the blue band here with the 5-day, the 20-day moving average with the yellow algorithm here. So another way you want to wait for the dump will be when the 5-day turns into some sort of resistance and it starts trending down. I talked about this, the 5-day continuing to trend up right here. I gave quite a bit of instructions in the Discord server to be very careful that even if we were at 6 to 4 previous days, the 5-day will still not be trending down. So you have to be extremely careful. 5 days still trending up. However, we have already somewhat retested the upper Bollinger here. So just be a little bit mindful on this range. Look out for some buying continuation. You want to see whether this is a buying continuation here. If the market wants to build more liquidity, you know exactly what to look out for with the green and magenta algorithm right there. And be very careful of this yellow tapering. So you will watch out for that possibility of that tapering right here at the top range. So all sorts of buying continuation. Look out for either the yellow or the orange. See where is the strength in the buying continuation right there. Any downside, you have to absolutely wait for some sort of structure right here. If we are trending down, there will be liquidity that's grabbed early, at least by this yellow rhythm here. So no need to be calling the top like most retailers here. We're enjoying the ride up, isn't it? 5-day moving average has always been your guide. And I talked about this long time ago, that test of the 20-day moving average once a month. Remember that video where everyone was saying we're going to crash? And most importantly, remember where I talked about how a bull run will continue to start. And it will be when the bottom Bollinger reclaimed that 200-day moving average. And since then, we have already went up about 40 points here. So just be a little mindful here. Upper Bollinger, you want to see it continue trending up. If this wants to go up, you want to see the 5-day continuing to build more liquidity on the way. 20 days catching up, which is not a bad thing, right? So even if you see 20-day becoming some sort of pullback and a support, it's still plenty high. Or even the bottom Bollinger, just take a look. The bottom Bollinger right now is at a higher level than where we were at the 20-day moving average at 600. So pullback, it's very healthy if you are not in the market at this point. Now this is where they suck you in. This is where they want you to join in before they start pulling back. You can afford to wait, right? You're not missing out on anything. We're finding profits in the charts every single day. And if you're in here because you have caught the move from the last time we were at the bottom Bollinger, from the last time we're at the 20-day moving averages, or from the last time that the bottom Bollinger has broken out from that 200-day moving average, then plenty good. Always remember to hedge, sell your calls, and sell your puts within the range. You're making so much money at this point. So don't worry about that. If you have not caught this, I'm here every single day. I will guide you along. There are plenty of opportunities. The market has been around so long. I've been watching this many decades. Let me tell you, there's always an opportunity to make money every single day, every single generation. You missed nothing. But you have to build the skills and want to build the skills. And that's the most important part of this entire trading game. Then the market will be your playground. You can make money every single day, whether it's for longer term or shorter term objectives. You will learn to make money. So please remember, watch yesterday's video. It's very important you understand the context of where we're at and time to prepare for tomorrow and Friday as we wrap up the week. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you closer to opening bell.